out here in Horseshoe Bend over here out in Utah. So, if you are thinking about doing retargeting, or retargeting are those technologies where they start to follow you around the internet. Whenever people come to your website, they now are subject to seeing your advertisement whenever they go on internet. Could be there on CNN.com, they saw your ad, following them around. Retargeting is a great tool to keep the leads warm, to nurture the prospects, especially if you have a longer buying journey, such as pre-needs, replacement windows and doors. Retargeting is a great way to keep the leads warm. However, the danger with that is now seems like you are stalking them around the internet. So if you don't want to seem like you're stalking them around the internet, you definitely want to make sure you're putting something called frequency cap. Frequency cap limits how many times they see your ads on a daily basis. So typically, like replacement window and door pre-needs, we set a frequency cap of 2 times a day. Just enough to stay on top of their mind and not stalking them around. The goal here is to nurture the leads on top of the mind awareness, and then to invite them to come back to your website.